You scumbagging your car or what?
Although not as much as I think. The rear is gonna be all right. The front.
Charge more now that you're here.
What's up, buddy? Gang shit, gang shit. Not looking like a bum this time, eh?
I never look like a bum.
Never. How you doing?
I'm doing. What are you doing? I'm blonde.
I thought you were playing some shady at first when I rolled up. I was like, oh, weird.
Right now.
Yeah. She's rolling. What's up, dog?
Hey, but the wheels, you can feel how light those wheels are.
That's true. All the weight's on the tire.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're going real fast.
Well, cause I
Sideways fast.
I got the. I think I want to sell the blitzes, but I don't know. You want to buy some blitz?
Yeah.
How you doing? $2,500.
How much?
2,500.
I'll trade you your Surumos back.
Who said fuck that? Those are 18. I don't need 18s. Those are also for sale.
Those blitzes are 17s, eh?
Yeah.
But
The fucking dent? The fuck?
no, cause you went ham, didn't you? It's on this side, isn't it?
Fucking good, man.
Oh.
Tractor tire doing like 70, 80.
Oh,
Yeah. So I had my buddy use the hydraulic come along and
I'd say.
just the high on the traction arm, but I want to buy new arms. So
That's
I can
healthy.
run that. Yeah, like
You can run that.
I could totally run that.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, she's meant. Just hold it there for a sec. There we go.
Fuck, that's how it should look. Look at that. That's how it's supposed to be sitting. You can feel that's where it wants to sit.
Yeah, it just fucking
it fucked
whips
my
back.
It fucked my DC Racing, the bushing, so I gotta get a new lower sleeve for it and shit. That's $50. The arms are 1,000 USD. $50 USD. That's like, it's a lot of money.
Yeah.
Right there, just for fucking a little fuck up like that.
So what was it? Just a tractor tire? You went too close. You got a little ballsy.
Well, I skipped a bit of gravel and it sucked me out a little bit.
No.
I wasn't able to reel out of it.
Oh no.
Yeah, I was feeling so horny. Fucking.
You're like, I want to get it.
Like I had just put these front tires on. Just bought them for the fronts. Just fresh alignment on the bitch.
They're the same exact.
Man, the camber looks so good though.
Ironman's fuck, man.
The camber is so good.
Etienne got on his Evo.
8 degrees of camber and then 10 degrees of caster. The thing wheels, man. You can throw it.
I bet, dude.
All these broken promises stuck inside my head. Feeling so sick of being lonely and depressed. Might as well fuck my life up, cause I'm dead. I never wanna do shit, rather lay in bed with nothing on my to-do list.
Alright, gotta get the suspension drop. It's gonna be low. It's gonna be as low as fucking possible. Yeah. Low.
What?
Low.
We going what?
Dumped.
Are you gonna? Am I scumbagging everyone in the group to go low as fuck?
I like how they show you a tutorial video.
Mikey, I'm gonna get a little time lapse.
Crazy blowing out what I'm calling. Please God don't come making no mistake, comes to ruin. Y'all ain't even know my numbers up, I feel I'm losing. Baby girl, I'm losing all my fucking memories. I just can't remember why you love me. Ugly, always feel so ugly. Pretty girl, shorty can't believe she wanna fuck me. Fuck, to be honest, boy just want a friend. All these broken promises.
Yeah?
Possibly, yeah. Based on my knowledge of this, but this probably could be different. Definitely DC Racing next time though.
Yeah, buddy.
They're running sway bars in the car right now. It's super trippy. I'd find another shop that would do this shit there. And micrometer, digital caliper. You don't want it to be like that. You want it to just have enough engagement that it's
That it bites.
like happy. So it just says it's happy.
That's what everyone forgets, eh?
That people usually tend to adjust it from here if they don't know what they're doing. But luckily, I've been doing this for a while.
Ooh. Very nice. Very nice. That's so nice, dude.
What do you think?
That's clean.
If I put 10 mils, should I just keep it like this?
Tonight?
Dude, it's higher than what it was on 19s without the suspension. Shit.
Go lower.
I'm gonna need a lip.
Go lower.
That was over.
Let's go. Lower it.
Yeah. Well, yeah, because the rear is sitting lower than the front.
Fuck it. Lower it. Even out the front and the rear, let it settle, and then go from there.
Wait, is the rear left lower than the rear right? Or vice versa? See what I mean?
Yeah, I just think you mean.
Rear left is lower than the rear.
It's also on my plate.
Yeah, it's on the plate on the one side.
But it's also adjusted evenly.
Yeah, they're both even. I don't like it. Put it back together. It's cool.
Go monster truck again.
Dude, look. It turned gold.
You guys are, what are you doing?
Walking out of my car real quick.
Hey Riley, Q45 is slow and you need to get it finished. Starting to settle. What are we doing at the shop on our day off, Dad? What the fuck, Dad? We're supposed to be at the beach chilling with the honey.
Hey, I bet you pick up honeys, don't you?
Might as well fuck my life up, cause I'm dead. I never wanna do shit, rather lay in bed when I think I'm out the door. It's going fucking crazy, blowing up, but I'm cool.
Let me know.
Alright, see you, buddy.
Don't even know my numbers, I feel I'm losing. Baby girl, I'm losing all my fucking memories. I just can't remember why you love me. Ugly, always was so ugly. Pretty girl, shorty, can't believe she wanna fuck me. Losing, baby girl, I'm losing all my fucking memories. I just can't remember why you love me. Ugly, always was so ugly. Pretty girl, shorty, can't believe she wanna fuck me. Losing, baby girl, I'm losing all my fucking memories. I just can't remember why you love me. Ugly, always was so ugly. Pretty girl,
Look how,
shorty, can't believe
like far
she
away I am,
wanna
but watch
fuck
my
me.
face.
To be honest, boy, just
Look at my
want a friend.
face.
All these broken promises stuck inside my head. Feeling so sick of being lonely and depressed.
Oh, this is a
Might as well fuck my life